Oh. Double hook up.
Oh, shark, quick!
Oh.
Quick!
You there?
Quick!
There's a shark. Oh. So we have been catching the baby version of these, and we're just saying like surely there's a big guy down there, and I feel like I'm on the wrong side of the boat today, and Josh has just caught. I have so much FOMO right now, so much FOMO, but guys, check out how big this is. You guys need to stay on and watch. We caught the trifecta of red. Let's have a little sneak peek in my SVig. It's my shirt giving it away. Come on. They're all under there and it has been epic. Can't wait to show you. So let's rewind and see what we got up to. Good morning. We are out at the reef again. Lucky us. I can't believe how many good weather days we are getting. Like, we have just been hoping for this for so long. We've seen life on the sounder. Gonna do a drop down. We're at about 60 meters deep, so fingers crossed we've got some fish here. Let's go. Oh,
That's a better one.
yeah, I think we're onto something. Sounds a bit sharp. All right, so the first spot that we've just stopped at, not so successful. Josh is just battling a shark at the moment, so we're just waiting for that. Lots of bait on the sounder, but no big boomerangs, so we're gonna leave this spot and keep going. See if we can get this one to the boat and get our squid jig back. I think we've still got a while to go. I think the shark's just about 30 meters down, so oh, I'm glad it's not me. So we are just deploying the encoder because we found another spot showing some fish on the sounder. Woohoo! We didn't have much luck at the other spot, so it's a bit shallower here, so 45 meters deep. I'm using the same setup with a 50-pound line and a 100-pound leader. I've got the squid jig with a bit of bait on there as well. So big fish here. A coral trout would be so nice to start the day off. Let's get our lines down and see what's down there. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Feels decent. Now hooked him. That's why it felt decent. Oh, thought it was a coral trout. That's alright though. Enough of you. Ooh, woke me up. I think I've got it. Oh!
Oh yeah.
I think so. Oh! No, I thought it was a monster. Sorry guys. Oh, it's a red! It's a trout! It's a trout! I did not think that was a trout. Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now he starts head shaking and he just wasn't head shaking. Alright. Look at this trout. This is a perfect size. Perfect dinner size. It did not fight hard at all. I thought it was onto a cod. But let's give him a measure because I want to get straight back down there. Oh, 60 centimeters. Woo. First fish fish of the day. Oh, come on.
What the?
Oh, far out. You're kidding me. So we have been catching the baby version of these, and we're just saying like surely there's a big guy down there, and I feel like I'm on the wrong side of the boat today, and Josh has just caught. I have so much FOMO right now, so much FOMO, but guys, check out how big this is. Good on you, Josh. All right, should we give him a measure? Yeah, he's just big. He's a big one. Jealous. All right. Okay, well, I'm going to get back down there. Actually, I'm down there and nothing's biting me. All right, well, they're down there, so we need to keep going. So that's what the sounder looks like when Josh caught that massive red emperor. So let's keep going. Oh. Double hook up. Oh, whoa. Now he's awake. It's a good one. Oh, please be a red emperor. Woo! Not as big. Another trouty. Woo! Another trout. Another trout in the space of 5 minutes. Double hook up. Such different colors. We got to get back down there. It is on. Fish is on right now. All right, so there's heaps of life on the sounder. I've been switching between the pink squiddy thing and this, and I've just gone with this basic hook and sinker setup. And yeah, let's get back down there. That's 2 coral trouts on the boat for me. I think that's a little.
No, that's what mine was.
Was it? Okay, so don't be. Nah, feels small. Put the trouts in the esky, baby. Don't show that other boat.
Huh?
Don't show the other boat. Act like I'm catching no fish.
Oh, I don't know.
A little bit smaller, but looks still keepable. Oh, just not fighting hard today. So guys, this is my 3rd coral trout for the day. This is certainly making up for the last trip I had out. This is a perfect size. I haven't measured it yet. I'm slaying the coral trouts today. Check it out. I am just bashing the bottom, and we're just being patient. We're just hanging out in this area. We see fish in the sounder. Everyone's kind of getting bites. So, woohoo! Another fish in the esky. Let's go. Nanny? Oh, I felt a lot bigger than that. Woo! Little nanny. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. See another red. Another nanny. Welcome in my boat anytime, but might be a bit small, this one. That's another keeper, gorgeous nana guy. These ones have to be 40 centimeters and he's measuring 50, so keeper. Oh, nice one.
Oh, shark, quick!
Oh.
Quick!
You there?
Quick! Oh, shark, quick!
Oh.
Quick!
You there?
Quick!
Oh. Big another guy. That's big another guy. That's so good. threw in exactly the same spot. Look. Josh, you're winning.
Got him.
No, we threw in the same. That was this close to being shaft. I could see the shaft just on my side. Get it out. We threw it in exactly the same spot. This is the biggest nana guy for the day. Total surprise. Good on you. Great job. Okay, so we have just wrapped up from this area that we've been working. I'll show you guys the sounder so you can see kind of what's been showing. That's what's been showing, and we have been slaying the reds today. Honestly, we don't really have any idea what we're doing, but we did make a choice to not put the drone up and just kind of work one area. So we've been here for a few hours, and we have caught a large range of redfish, and it is so exciting when you catch redfish. But yeah, we've just been working along here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's these two whales just like 30 meters right there, that little bit of splash. Oh, so close. Oh, there goes the tails. They're going under. They're just everywhere, so pretty. Oh my gosh, there is a whale right behind us called whale logging, is that right? just parked on right at the back of us. Woo! What's that, Nala? Is it Nala? Doing. The esky is full, but we're going to start making our way home now. And yeah, I think let's call it a day.